Good morning dear students, welcome back to the class. We are taking the revision of our lesson number 2. What is our lesson number 2? Our lesson number 2 is exponents or powers. Okay, in the previous class what we have studied? We have studied about the how to write base and exponents, laws of exponents and many more things. Okay, and we have completed the exercise 2a in the previous lecture. So today we are taking the exercise 2b. Okay, the revision of exercise 2b. Okay, so what is your first question there? The first question is find the value of, in which I solved the first sub question in the video lecture. So you have already the solution of this question. Now I am solving the question number 2. Second sub question I am solving here. Question number 1, 2. Okay, so what is your question? Your question is minus y upon x raised to the power minus y raised to the power minus y, where x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to minus 3 Okay, so you have to find out the value of this equation. Okay, now I am putting the values here. Okay, I am putting the value here. So you have to write it down. The solution as given. What we have written first? Given. What is given here? X is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to minus 3. Okay, x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to minus 3. So what is your equation? It is minus y upon x, okay, raised to the power minus y. So you have to put the value here. Now minus, पहले से दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. Now y is equals to minus 3. So I will write the minus 3 here. After that, in the denominator x is equals to minus 1. Okay. So now the whole power is again minus, as it is y is equals to minus 3. So I will write here minus 3. Okay. Some students are doing mistake here in which you forgot this minus. आप ये minus नहीं देते हो और y की जगह directly minus 3 लिखते हो. Okay. So that will be wrong. Now the next is minus and minus is plus. So it will become 3 and in the denominator it is minus 1. Okay. And power is minus and minus is plus, that is 3. Okay. Now what is your next step? You have to expand it. Expand it. So 3 raised to the power 3. That is 3 into 3 and in the denominator it is minus 1 raised to the power 3. So it is minus 1. Multiply with the minus 1. Again multiply with the minus 1. Okay, so it is 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 and in the denominator it is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 and plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So your final answer is minus 27 because when there is a in the denominator when there is a 1 you can skip it, but you have to give this minus symbol, so we will give it to the numerator. Okay, when there is a 1 minus symbol you can give it to the numerator or the denominator, it will make the same meaning. Okay. Now what is your third question there? What is your third question there? Okay, what is your question? Read it out. Okay, your third question is x upon y raised to the power x upon y raised to the power x multiply with the y upon x raised to the power y. Okay, and x is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 7. X is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 7. So we have to write the solution as, solution कैसे लिखते हैं हम? We have to write the solution as given first. Given is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 7. After that you have to write upon y. Okay, x upon y raised to the power x multiply with the y upon x raised to the power y. Now put the value in this. X is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 7 raised to the power x, that is 4, multiply with the y upon x, that is minus 7 upon 4 raised to the power y means minus 7. Okay, okay. Now here your power is negative. Here your power is negative. You have to make it positive. So what you will do? You will write it as 4 upon minus 7 raised to the power 4. First fraction as it is. Multiply with the second fraction का अगर हमें नेगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव पावर में चेंज करना है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू write the reciprocal. Okay, let's write the reciprocal of it. It is 4 upon minus 7. 4 upon minus 7 raised to the power 7. Okay, now your bases are same and your powers are different, so you can write it as 4 upon minus 7 raised to the power 4 plus 7, that is equals to 4 upon minus 7 raised to the power 11. 4 upon minus 7 raised to the power 11. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, I have solved all the questions of question number 1 here. मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के सारे ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा दिए. ठीक है. Now question number 2. Solve the following exponential equations. Okay, in the video lecture I have solved third sub question. Today I am solving the question number 4th. Okay, 4th. Some students have doubts in it, so I am solving 4th one here. What is your question there? What is your question? 7 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 1. 7 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so the solution started from here. You will write that 7x raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, in the next step, therefore 7 raised to the power x minus 1 you can write 1s. हमने जब पढ़े थे the concept of zero, we have studied about the concept of zero, in which I have told you if you given the power 0 to any number, अगर आपने किसी भी नंबर को 0 as a power दिया है तो आप क्या बोल सकते हो कि उसका वैल्यू हमेशा 1 होता है. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं इस 1 की जगह भी यहाँ 7 raised to the power 0 लिखूंगी तो वो करेक्ट होगा. Why I have written 7 raised to the power 0 here? Because 7 raised to the power 0 is also equals to 1, and so we can replace 1 with the 7 raised to the power 0. Now the question is why I written it 7 raised to the power 0, not the other number? Because in the left hand side the base is 7, so in the right hand side the base must be 7. तभी हम इक्वेट कर पाते हैं पावर्स को. That's why I have written the 7 here. Okay, now since the bases are equal, since the bases are equal, है ना, क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? क्योंकि यहाँ पे bases जो है दोनों नंबर्स के लिख लो. since the bases of both the numbers, since the bases of both the numbers are equal, ओके, क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? क्योंकि दोनों के भी बेसिस इक्वल है, सो the exponents or the powers must be equal. Okay, the powers must be equal. Okay, bases same है तो powers भी same होंगे, so we can write it as x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore क्या होगा? ये जो 1 इधर माइनस में उधर 0 रहेगा, x is equals to 0 plus 1, so it will become 1. So the value of x is 1 here. Okay, the value of x is 1 here. Okay, so this is the solution for your fourth question. Okay, now I am taking the question 6th here. It will little bit confusing. 6th one. Okay, so what is your question number 6? Your question number 6 is 5 raised to the power 2x plus 3. 5 raised to the power 2x plus 3 is equals to 25 raised to the power minus 3. 25 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so write it down in the solution. What is the question number 6? Okay, you have to write the solution from here. In the solution, write it down the question first. That is 5 raised to the power 2x minus 3 is equals to 25 raised to the power minus 3. 25 raised to the power minus 3. Okay. Now you have to write the solution as by the prime factorization. By the prime factorization, now by the prime factorization we have what we have. By the prime factorization we have left side as it is, left side as it is, but in the right side you can write this 25 as 5 square. आप इस 25 को as a 5 square लिख सकते हो. Okay, so you can write that 5 square. Okay, क्योंकि जब 25 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करोगे आपको फैक्टर्स वही बनने वाले हैं 5 into 5. Okay, so it is 5 square raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so now write it down as 5 raised to the power 2x minus 3, and when there is a power to power we multiply the power, so it will become 5 to multiply with the minus 3. Okay, so it will become 5. So it will become 5 raised to the power 2x minus 3, and it will be equals to 5 raised to the power minus 6 here. Okay, now the next statement we have to write here is calculate since the bases of both the numbers are equal. Since the bases of both the numbers are equal. Okay, so write it down. Since the bases of both the numbers, since the bases of both the numbers are equal, so the exponents must be equal. Okay, so left side में क्या था 2x minus 3, and right side में क्या हुआ था 5 raised to the power minus 6, that means minus 6. Okay, now next step is ये जो 3 इधर minus में है we have to shift it to the right, will become plus, so it is therefore 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3, that means you have to subtract, so it is 2x is equals to 3, but you have to use the symbol of the greater number, that is minus. Now 2 and x is in a multiplication, so when we are shifting this 2 on the right side it will become division, so the x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. X is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, did I write the question wrong? Yes, it is 2x plus 3. Okay, sorry, it is 2x plus 3, so it will become minus here. Now minus 6 and minus 3, minus 6 and minus 3, it is equals to minus 9, so it is minus 9 upon 2. By mistake I have written the minus here, okay, because I have erased the previous solution. So it is 2x plus 3 is equals to minus 6, so it is equal equals to 2x is equals to -6 -3. -6 -3 क्या होता है? -9. When the both the numbers having the same symbol, we have to add, and if they are having the opposite symbol, we have to subtract. They are having the same symbol, so we have to add here, and when we are adding, it is -9, and 2 goes to the division, and it will become the -9 upon 2. Okay, so with this we have completed the exercise 2b. Remaining questions you have to solve. Okay, in the next lecture we are discussing about the standard and the usual form in the exercise 2c. Okay, so till then, bye, take care.